Before we start, make sure to subscribe for more Spanish learning tips and hit the like button if you find this helpful. Welcome. Ever felt lost in a new city? You're not alone. Today, let's learn how to ask for and give directions in Spanish. Your key to real connection. It's quick, easy, and anyone can do it. Ready? Let's get started. You need the right tools to ask for directions. Let's stock your toolbox. Start with nouns. Street. Calle. Square. El centro. Map. Mapa. These are your destinations. Next, prepositions. To the left. A la izquierda. To the right. A la derecha. Near. Cerca de. Far from. Lejos de. Simple, right? Izquierda. Derecha. Cerca. Lejos. Now verbs. To go. Ir. To continue and follow. Para continuar. Seguir. To cross. Cruzar. To turn. Doblar. These are your action words. Put it together. Nouns, prepositions, verbs. Say them out loud. The more you practice, the more natural they'll feel. It's just a new set of words for things you already know. You're building a strong foundation. These are the superstars of your new vocabulary. Practice makes perfect. Don't overthink it. Just start using them. You're ready for the next step. Let's keep going. You've got the words, now let's make you sound smooth and polite. Don't just shout museum. Muso, start with disculpe. To get someone's attention, then ask, where is? ¿Dónde está? For example, ¿Dónde está el museo? Or, el museo por favor. It's simple, direct, and everyone understands it. Want to be extra polite? Try. Excuse me, could you help me please? Permiso, me puede ayudar por favor? People appreciate kindness and respect. When you ask a question, let your voice rise at the end, just like in English. See how the tone goes up? Always smile. A smile is universal. So, polite greeting, your question, and a smile. That's your recipe for success. You're ready to ask for anything. Let's move on. Time for your secret weapons, ready-to-go questions for any situation. Looking for the Prado Museum? Say, Busco el Museo Prado, por favor. Need a restaurant? Is there a restaurant near here? Hay un restaurante cerca. Swap out restaurant for anything. Pharmacy. Farmacia. Bank. Banco. Metro station. Estación del metro. Can't find the post office. Try. I'm looking for the post office. Is it far? Estoy buscando el correo. Está lejos. Means, I'm looking for. Need to know how to get somewhere by bus? Ask. How do I get to the center by bus? ¿Cómo llego al centro en bus? Is perfect for asking how to get somewhere. These questions are clear, direct, and super useful. Mix and match as needed. You're not just asking where, you're asking how. With these, you're ready for anything. Practice them out loud. You're becoming a pro. Now what if someone asks for directions, or you need to understand their answer? Listen for command forms. Go straight. Vaya derecho. Turn right. Doble a la derecha. Take the first street on the left. Tome la primera calle a la izquierda. These are the key action words. If the place is nearby, you might hear, it's there, next to the bank. Está ahí al lado del banco. Or, it's in front of the square. Está al frente de la plaza. Look for clues, huh? Next to. Al lado de. In front of. En frente de. Behind. Detrás. Let's put it together. Go straight for 2 blocks. Siga derecho por 2 cuadras. Then turn left. Doble a la izquierda. The pharmacy is on the right, near a bakery. La farmacia está en la derecha, cerca de la panadería. Listen for verbs and direction words. Directions are usually just a few simple steps. Don't get overwhelmed. Break it down. You can do this. Practice listening for these phrases. Soon you'll understand directions like a local. You're ready for real conversations. Let's try some real-life examples. Time to practice with real-life situations. Scene 1. You're lost in Barcelona looking for Sagrada Familia. You ask, Perdón, estoy buscando la Sagrada Familia. Voy bien por aquí. Excuse me, I'm looking for Sagrada Familia. Am I going the right way? The local replies, Sí va bien. Siga todo recto por esta calle. La va a ver a su izquierda. Es muy grande, no tiene pérdida. Yes, you're going the right way. Continue straight. You'll see it on your left. It's very big. You can't miss it. That phrase means you can't miss it. Scene 2. In a small town in Peru, you need a shop. You ask, "Excuse me, do you know where there's a shop?" "Perdón, ¿sabe dónde hay una tienda?" The reply, "Claro. Cruz la plaza y tome la primera calle a la derecha. La tienda está al final de la calle, al lado de la escuela." "Of course. Cross the square. Take the first right. The shop is at the end, next to the school." Notice the steps. Cross the square. Take the first right. Go to the end. These are everyday exchanges you'll use all the time. Multi-step directions are common. Just listen for the sequence. Practice these scenarios out loud. You're getting the hang of it. Each conversation builds your confidence. Soon you'll handle any situation. Remember, it's okay to ask for clarification. You're a survivor, finding your way, one phrase at a time. Keep practicing these real-life examples. You're almost ready for anything. Let's test your skills. Time for a quick quiz. Let's see what you've learned. Question 1. How do you ask, "Where is the bank?" Is it A. ¿Cómo está el banco? B. ¿Dónde está el banco? C. ¿Por qué está el banco? The answer is B. Means, where is the bank? Question 2. Someone says, "Sigue derecho y dobla a la izquierda." What do you do? A. Stop and turn right. Para y dobla a la derecha. B. Go straight and turn left. Sigue derecho y dobla a la izquierda. C. Go straight and then stop. Sigue derecho y para. The answer is B. Go straight and turn left. Question 3. What does cerca de aquí mean? A. Far from here. B. Next to here. C. Near here. The answer is C. Means near here. You're acing this. Way to go. You made it. You've learned the words, the phrases, and you passed the quiz. Navigating in Spanish opens up the world. It's about more than finding places, it's about connecting with people and culture. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone does. People appreciate your effort more than perfect grammar. Every conversation is a win. The best way to improve? Practice. Next time you travel, put your phone away and ask someone for directions, even if you know the way. Try asking for the best bakery or the prettiest park. You'll be surprised how helpful people are. You're now a confident traveler. Turn being lost into an adventure. Go out, explore, talk to people, and enjoy amazing food. Get a little lost, then find your way with your new skills. You've got this. The world is waiting for you. Have the time of your life. Take care and happy exploring. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more language adventures and share it with a friend who loves to travel.